Founded in 1976, the Florida Institute of Ultrasound has been helping people achieve their goal of creating an exciting and stable career for themselves through our one-year accelerated Diagnostic Medical Sonography program. At FIU, our goal is to develop competent sonographers who are proficient to enter the field of diagnostic medical sonography and are capable of passing the American Registry of Diagnostic Medical Sonographers exam. With 4 instructors, 8 scanning machines, and a host of clinical affiliates, visit our website FIUPensacola.edu or call us today and learn why the Florida Institute of Ultrasound is one of the oldest and most respected sonography schools in the nation. Plus, just look at our beaches.